All right, today we are doing the multiples of 9. So let's start here on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll circle that. And from 9, let's count 9, another multiple of 9. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I'm going to stay on 18, and you count another multiple of 9. You can pause the video if you need to. Go. Okay, here we go. Let's see where you landed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did you land on 27? Nice. Let's do one more. I'll wait here on 27, and you count another multiple of 9. Go. And you can pause if you need to. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did you land on 36? Awesome. Ooh, and look at that pattern. Okay, so remember you're going to continue this by yourself and then go back and read the multiples that you have. Let's read what we have so far. 9, 18, 27, 36. And then you'll keep this with your other multiples pages. All right, that's it for now.